Go around your house today. Explore your house. You have 10 minutes. You need to find that one spot in your house that you haven't explored till today. You can take your phone with you and go, or you can leave your phone in that place and go. But you are going to explore around your house and find out that one spot in your house that you haven't seen till today. Come on, start.
Not here also. Not here also. Not here.
Mom, I want to show you something. See that bird sitting on the tree.
Aha! Bird in the tree. Good.
He gone.
Which spot I have not explored till today? No,
I found an ant.
no, I have explored.
Vihan, I only heard your voice, but I didn't understand what you said. I want you to find that one spot in your house that you did not know was there. Explore your own house today.
Yes. Explode.
I have explored every spot. I have explored every.
Yes.
I have explored every spot.
Which are in my mother's room.
And this is the spot. Yeah, up there.
Ma'am, see, in my mother's bedroom only.
Have you known place, मतलब आज तक तुम्हें पता ही नहीं था उस जगह के बारे में?
I knew that place.
ये तो छुपा के रख दी। अबे ठीक मैं दोबारा
You are not going to dig into your parents' cupboards or things inside your parents' rooms, huh? Please, that is not the meaning of exploration. कि पापा मम्मी का जगह क्या है, कबर्ड में क्या है, वो सब मैं ढूंढ के निकालूं. That's not exploration, Subhan. If that's what you're doing, then that's not what I'm asking you to do. I told you go around your house. तुम्हारे घर में सिर्फ एक पापा मम्मी का कबर्ड है. Go around your house and look for something. Cupboards तो तुम आज उसको ठीक करोगे तो कल फिर से तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा जो तुमने पहले देखा नहीं था. No digging into other people's private property because you want to explore. प्रणव कहाँ चला गया पता ही नहीं चल रहा.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
I have explored every spot.
You have explored every spot.
Yes.
I think there will be something.
I have explored every spot.
कुछ तो जरूर मिलेगा. You would have definitely not. मेरे घर में ये भी जगह था क्या? ऐसा कुछ तो निकलेगा. आज तक तो मुझे इसके बारे में पता ही नहीं था.
Ma'am, I am not. I have explored my kitchen medicine rack. I have not explored.
You have not explored what? Your kitchen?
The medicine rack.
Your kitchen rack? You have till date not explored your kitchen rack, Subhan?
Now I have explored.
Okay, your voice is breaking up, Baba. What did you exactly tell me?
Ma'am, I have explored kitchen someone's medicine rack, and I'm not sure it.
Your voice is breaking up, Ray. What's that?
Mom, I
Subhan.
have explored my kitchen medicine rack.
Kitchen medicine rack.
Only my mother and father goes there.
3 other explorers have gone gayab. Arey no, Vihan is back. Vihan, what did you explore and find in your house, that one spot that you've probably not seen till today? Ranveer, I'm talking to Vihan. Wait your turn. Vihan, come sit down and tell me about it.
The bandits.
I'm going to explore that thing.
What thing?
I'm going on the farm.
I told you to look around your house to find something that you may not have spotted till date. Not going out of the house. I never told you to go out of the house. Tanishka, if you're going to walk with your phone like that, you will not have network.
Ma'am.
Oh, yes. Come. प्रणव तो कहीं घूम फिर के खा पी के आया है. Look at him munching something. I told. Hey, keep quiet. I told you to look around the house for one spot, and you go to the kitchen, munch something, and come back.
Ma'am, we are sick again.
Pranav, what is this?
Many.
Okay. I am going to put everyone on mute right now so I can hear what Pranav is saying. Yes, Pranav, what did you say?
Can we show our secret location?
I thought you went to look around for something and then you went to the kitchen, you ate and drank and came back.
Can we show? And wait, I will show.
Ma'am, can I put my secret location too?
Yes, we
Okay,
can't
I'll
come
show.
and sit here and look what these people are doing. Come here.
Ma'am, this is my secret location. Oh yeah.
And this is my secret.
Straight you from dad. Look, this is my secret location.
Wow.
Mummy, don't
And
behind the door.
this is so cool. You can see this. I'm so excited.
I told you all to explore a place in your house that you felt you haven't seen till today. Now you are showing me a secret location.
Ma'am, see, this is
Yes,
the thing.
ma'am. This is my secret location.
Subhan, what is this?
See,
You're having a dongle. What is that? Subhan, Subhan, you have a dongle in your hand.
I'm going to
You did not know till day that dongles exist. Okay, I'm going to put everybody else on mute so I can listen to what Subhan is telling me. Yes, Subhan, what did you tell me?
Ma'am, this is dongle on charging. This is Docomo's pen drive.
Now, what does this have to do with exploration?
This.
Subhan, what does this have to do with exploration? Subhan, talk to me. I put everybody else on mute so you and I can talk. Come on. What does this dongle have to do with exploration? Tell me.
Ma'am, I have not seen this in house.
You had not seen a dongle?
Ma'am, I have seen a Geo dongle. I have not seen like this dongle only in our house.
That dongle belongs to your papa.
Yes,
Was he using it for work right now?
father. What?
Was he using it for work right now?
No, this is very old, and my father's company has given him a Geo 2 dongles. So I am using one for class and one he is using for his office.
What am I asking you? I am asking you something and you have to listen to the question. Don't think of something and answer anything. Listen to the question and think what should be the answer to that question. You got a Docomo dongle and you came to the class and you're saying, I have not explored this till today. What is the meaning of that? Are you looking to open it and check it out? Or are you trying to tell me that you did not know such a dongle existed? Or are you telling, Subhan, yaar, I'm talking to you and you're again looking here and there.
Hearing.
Subhan, you're not paying
Ma'am, can
attention
I
to what
say-
I'm asking you. That's why you're not answering me correctly. I asked you that Docomo
Ma'am,
dongle. Did you not know it was there in your house and you found it today? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. All right. Okay. Please put it back where it belongs or hand it back to your parents. Okay. Tanishka, what is it that you
Ma'am.
have to show?
Ma'am, can I show my first? Ma'am, that I'm really scared of their ear. I want to show some plants to you. I'm saying today only that I'm small. It's pimple.
Okay.
These are mini.
Hey, that's banyan tree. Okay. They are just budding up now. So you did not know they
And
existed?
this is mirchi.
You did not know that they were there?
Yes. I have just put when they were like this. Small and small. How are they?
Okay, okay, that's nice. I'm glad you explored and found out that it existed. Yes, Prana, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, see. One minute, ma'am. It's pimple only. It is so big, and this is the most biggest.
Most biggest नहीं होता है.
Ma'am, I
Biggest
want to
होता है.
see my
Most
secret
biggest नहीं
place.
होता है. Pranav is showing something. Let us all check out. Pranav, what is this? This is interesting. What are you showing? Is that a, oh, are there eggs in that nest?
No. Ma'am, they had made yesterday only.
Wow, that's amazing. You just explored it. Okay, Pranav, please don't touch the nest. Just leave it alone. The birds may not come back if you touch it. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. Let the birds be. Yes.
Can I show you?
Tanishka, you're still out of your home.
Yes,
Chalo,
ma'am.
chalo, come back now. Okay, exploration time is over, bachas. Come back, come back. Come back to your
Ma'am,
class
see.
Ma'am, I want to show you. Ma'am, I want to show you one secret thing.
now. Okay.
Look at this place.
Coconut trees,
I
ma'am.
can sit over here and I can see outside from here only.
Wow, nice. That's nice. That's a nice place to sit and have some hot cup of milk or Horlicks. Good. Okay, Tanishka, Pranav, Subhan, Vihan, Ranveer, everybody come back to class. Everyone come back to class. I am glad you explored your house today. It was interesting to see a few things around your place. That is nice. Vihan, I want you to now share what is the exploration that you did. Vihan, you're still eating? What did you explore around your house? You didn't show me
My
anything.
bed.
What?
I spotted my bed.
You spotted your bed. You always know where your bed is. That was not what I asked you to do. I told you to go around the house.
Krishna.
I told you to go around the house. No, what did you spot around your house? Something new.
Oh, I cannot spot something new. Sorry,
Why?
because I can spot something new. Aha! Look, a pen.
Ma'am, I spot something new. I know where it is. Can I show?
Okay, those are pebbles. All right, kids. Okay.
Pebbles, not pebbles. I'll show you. I didn't know that there was a old filter over here.
Okay, cool. Kids, come back to class. Go take your snack break now. Okay, go on your snack break. You have 5 to 6 minutes. Quickly finish your snacks. The thought behind today's exploration class was for you to feel the fact of going around to see something new. That's what I wanted you to do. For all these days, we have been seeing few explorers do these things through their videos. But today I wanted you to go and explore something and come. So I asked you to check it out in around your house. Okay? Chalo, wash your hands. Go eat your snacks. It's snack break now. Come on.